Installing an M.2 boot adapter and drives. Lower the M.2 backplane to the adapter. Fasten the two screws that secures the M.2 backplane to the adapter, and then close the cover. Align the M.2 drives with the connectors. Push the other end of the M.2 drives toward the backplane. Slide the retaining clips forward to secure the drives to the backplane. Connect the cables to the adapter, and then secure the cable with the screws. Align the pointed ends of the two triangles on the adapter and the power supply cage, and then lower the bracket. Then slide the adapter backward slightly and tighten the captive screw to secure the adapter.